Hello there. Welcome to the archive. Let's check the stream. Took long that time. 8 seconds. Let's check the stream. So, we're back with modding. And I did say I was gonna change some things. I don't actually remember what I said, so we're just gonna wing it. Let's see. Oh yeah, not use a bunch of ladders anymore for the sideways ones. I still need them to go up and down, but not sideways. I think that's what we want. That will produce in the x-axis for every y-axis, which creates columns. Yes, columns. But now we need to tell it to not dig for what I just removed, basically. So, yoink, Control X. Actually, no. Because here's the thing. We don't know if there's a tiler there or not, so we need to override the ladder with the dig, I think. Yes, so if I make this be basically this, that should deselect both this and this. No, wait. This and this. When we don't want it to dig. So we might want to invert that actually. So, yes, I think that's gonna work. I wonder how it's gonna act at the intersection. It's not gonna dig. What do you think? Should I do... Is it better for the compiler to do a Boolean operation or a bitwise operation to combine these? Or does it realize that itself, maybe? Either way, let's change it to Boolean. It should still work, but it's always good to test your knowledge. Yeah, this is turning into crap. So on the intersect, we're basically gonna force a ladder. Yes. It's kind of half complicated, but it's kind of what we have to do to make sure stuff gets put down. Damn it, wait. I'm still not... Let's just go back like it was. Because here's the thing. We're pretty much always gonna dig. And if we're at a place where we want to put a ladder, we only need to put that there on the x-axis if there's nothing there. Or if it's sand there, I guess. But it might be better to control this through some more booleans, because frankly this is... it's getting hard to think about when you only control it through two booleans. So let's... okay, let's break this up. Let's break up that ladder one to be floor and ladder. Like before, we do something like so. So we know we know when we are gonna do a ladder. We know when we want to do a floor. Floor will... no, ladder will override floor. And floor might be a ladder, might be a tile. Everything else we're gonna dig. So we're basically gonna have a ladder do I have to split this up, or can I just like interject in there with floor? I think I can just interject in here with floor. And with that I mean if we are floor, if we want a floor there, we will not put the ladder there. I was gonna say we will not put the ladder there if we want a floor, but that means the floor overrides the ladder, and we need the ladder to override the floor so the duplicates can actually get up and down. So I might actually have to break this out, which is oof. Actually, we don't have to, but it will be a bit spaghetti-o. Maybe. Let's see what I can do. If we want a floor, and not a ladder, oh. So we always want ladders in here. Thing is, ladder means a different thing now. It doesn't mean everything, it just means the vertical bit now. So technically this should be if ladder or floor we will maybe put one of these down. Definitely for ladders. But if we are not on ladders, which means floor is definitely active. If we are not on ladder, we will check the tile, and if the tile has material in it that will stay, i.e. not filtration medium, and not liquids, and not gases. I think that's it. It should stay. I have no idea how this is going to interact with the water avoiding thing, but we will see. So, if you don't want a ladder and we want floor, we will check the grid. And Jesus, Visual Studio, why? Okay, you fix it. You fix yourself. Grid dots. So how do we check there? Is solid cell. I guess that's somewhere. Don't need to do an offset? Nope. So if we are not want a ladder, we want a floor, and there's a solid cell, we don't actually want a ladder at all. But otherwise, if there's anything else there that is not solid, put the ladder there. Because there might be air pockets or whatever. Let's see if it crashes. No one in the chat. Let's launch the game. Let's hope it doesn't crash out directly. Yeah, let's just resume and see what that gives us. The thing is, I can't really cancel what I've already have set up, though. But it's so big for 34 cycles, Jesus. Oh, look at that! It. Ooh, that's a bug I need to fix. Choose a blueprint. We want that. And we also want to cancel whatever the frick that was. Wait. Can these build orders stack? Or something? Is that what's going on here? Like, that's weird. Or maybe it's just that... Yeah, maybe it's just that a build order of a of a of the exact same building on top of itself. Maybe that's just... Maybe it just doesn't recognize that. Oh Jesus, what do we have here? Chlorine. Why do we have all that there? I have questions. Okay, we need storage. So I'm gonna do something like so. Yeah, that's just there now, I guess. Going the long way, Paco. Oh well. Wait. Yeah, this is a game-breaking bug and we need to fix it right the frickle now. Well, it isn't game-breaking, but it's eventually just gonna muck up your map. Every time you load in, they're gonna build those ladders. Heckle nah. Oh hell no. So we're gonna... Okay, we can maybe hijack this again to just not do that. But it's still a problem that it does refire. Hem. Oh yeah, we never set up to use do ladder. Oof. Well, good with that we exited then. Maybe, while I'm on it, maybe I should get it to use... some other resource. Aerogel. Bitumen. I mean, what is there most of in a map? Yeah, I'll just keep it on sandstone, I think. Or maybe alternate between sedimentary and sandstone. Perhaps that's better. Uh, my question is solid cell. Does that say filtration medium is solid? I bet it does. I bet it does. Or maybe it doesn't. Maybe. Maybe. I don't know. It's hard for me to know. But yes, we need to fix this anyway. And we need to check that it's not already a layer there. The thing is, like, I guess it's a building. I guess we can just borrow this so that it does the same thing as when you do it in the UI. I'm pretty sure the UI won't allow you to place ladders of its own type on top of itself. But yes. Let's see what it does. I wonder if I ran it long enough for it to save. Well, I would say that isn't working. It's a valid building cell, apparently. What happens if I just go desktop? What do you do? I'm gonna check a new map and see what it does. game. Oh my god, seriously. Sometimes. Like, how hard is it to just empty memory? Literally. Sure, I don't care. Okay, it does. Okay, okay, it does it. It does it. It does it. However, as I thought, sand is considered solid. Because technically it is a solid, I guess. However, as you see, no. Nah. Nah. So, we're gonna have to check what is actually there somehow. Is what can we ask of grid? If there are cells left or right of, or why only to the left of? Maybe that's an optimization. Offset valid, I use that, or I used that and then I misused it and I thought it was wrong, but it's probably correct, but we're doing it ourselves because we can right here. Having that big line instead of grid dots is valid, but A, we know it's correct. I can probably check the code for is valid and just see if it's the same. Or maybe more optimized, who knows. Open to open to outer space. Okay. Is gas, is initialized, is liquid, is physically accessible, is solid cell, which we do use, is substance liquid. Huh. Is tile under construction, is valid building cell, is valid cell, is visible, is visibly liquid. Um, hmm. I need to like ask the tile system where things are. I mean, it seems like grid. I'm not certain, but it seems like grid is the way to to like interact with the game world's grid. Because hey, it's a grid and it's named grid and I've been doing a lot with it and it seems to be sensible in what I think it will do, given the expectations I have about this object, given its name. But like it does expose these layers. I think these are the layers. It's like a foundation layer. I have no idea what that is. Here's element index, I guess. Maybe that's what we want to use. We will get a byte back. Okay. So if it's not equal to no. I'm thinking maybe, wait, does simhashes even mention uh, um, sand? It does. It is element. Why do we only get a byte from an element index and an element indexer? Maybe that's the one we want. It's a grid of elements. Give it a cell equals basically that, but sand. We should probably reduce that into a list, because I'm gonna check more than just one element, like so. And it's gonna be not equal in the end anyway, so cut that. Let's create another template. For each element in that come on, really? Okay. So we want that. So for each element we have there, we're gonna check if it's not equal. If it is equal any of these, we will have a ladder. Otherwise, if do ladder break, so we're gonna set that to false in here actually, or it will by this if it's not. So we're gonna check for sand, regolith. What other shit is there that we don't want? I don't know what things in the game do you usually not want to dig up? Toxic sand. What the hell is toxic sand? Maybe it's for the radiation update or DLC, sorry. Void. Water. You probably want to do ladders in water, yes. But we are not, because of this up here that checks if we are liquid, if we are near liquid. So, sand, regolith. I can't really think of more. Falling materials. Snow? Oh yeah, snow. Oh yeah. We probably want to override the Hmm. 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 I mean, I would guess falling water is quite close to falling sand. Actually, maybe not. Why does Diggable have conversation topic? Like, can duplicants talk about what they're interacting with to other duplicants? Is that what they do? Huh. Yeah, falling sand. Maybe it's just fall monitor. Nah. Yeah, these are either creatures or minions slash duplicants. Walk to the navigator. What the hell is the navigator? Does it like move around? Nav tactic. Hmm. Faller components. I found that yesterday, didn't I? Okay, we are in Diggable. We have found on solid changed. What's that data? Doesn't tell. I think I found it. Okay, let's see. On solid changed. We get our current cell and the one behind us. Oh no, the one we have another one allocated, but it's set to -1. Is it used? It is. It's used to get unstable cell above. And if it's still negative after that, it sets a flag. It's also going to set that same flag if there's a foundation at our current one. The hell? What's going on here? Extends. What the? That's a weird name for something that's defining a position and a size in 2 dimensions. But oh well. So we're creating a search area, a 2-dimensional search area, I guess, or an area. And we are, do we use that? We use that. Wait, so what is, okay, so it sets our current cell xy is set into the extent, the width is set to 1, the height is set to an offset from our second cell, which we flagged here, which is the cell above us. So if we take the cell above us and remove ourselves and add, oh Jesus, what is this? I don't care. Anyway, game scene partitioner instance add diggable on solid changed. Solid changed layer. Huh. I guess the shore driver or the shore manager make sure it gets cleaned up if that's the case. Oh well. Apparently I'm hungry. Um, is this even what we want? Do all diggable get this event when any solid changes or something? I hope that isn't the case. I don't think this is what I actually want. What is get unstable? If this cell is not solid, get unstable cell above. Unstable ground manager. Unstable. Unstable ground. Nice. So, how and why are these used though? Probably by the ground manager. Uh, we set our effect info to some stuff. We go through that. We pull it out. We pull out the prefab. We deactivate the prefab. We set the effect runtime info to default, whatever that means. And it seems we have a pool of 16 workers, I guess. Game comps. What is game comps? Spawn old. Spawn path spawn. Get cells containing falling above. 2D vector interface. Stop using interfaces, people. Fuck's sake. They're cumbersome. And you can't really create them without, at least to my knowledge, you can't create them without being very, very overly verbal about it. Maybe that's just my experience from the past. So, I guess that tells us that, what is our game object even? Hold on. I'm back. But yes, it seems like unstable ground is just added as a component to the tile. Or something, I think. Yes. Properties. Huh. And 4 equals 0, not equals 0. Huh. So it's going to go through the following objects. And I guess pending means they are falling. Hit unstable ground. This. Wait. We get each falling object, each after each other. get its parameter. We add them to pending cells. And then we register a callback for removing them from pending. And then it does sim message add remove substance, whatever that does. And then it creates a list pool, or a pool to list. Yeah, I have no idea what's happening here. Okay. Let's check out the pending. Where does that callback? Huh? Is that just for logging? Or something? Cell event logger instance unstable. Sim messages add remove substance. Cell component element, cell event logger instance unstable ground. Component mass, component temperature, component disease index, component disease count. True handle dot index, which is probably this, yeah. What does that do? What does this, well, this do? We add the cells to pending. It seems like we're registering an event. That's for vertical solid displacement, whatever that means. Hmm. Anyway, Wait, really? Why is it... This is a hot loop. It's gonna sit and wait for whatever this object is to become either a valid cell, solid, or have that property not equal 0. Why is it just gonna sit there? Why? 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 I have questions. Like, many questions. Why? Well, there's a list of falling objects. Is that used anywhere? Eh. Wait, there was 2 spawn functions? Public void spawn. And there's a private spawn. Public void spawn, is that run? So here it starts falling. Falling start sound. So that's probably going to be handled in update, isn't it? Yeah, it gets the falling objects. That's the shit to it. Oh, I get it. Okay, 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 okay. So, let's reuse this one. I think it's the unstable ground manager we want. Thing is, like here. I need to inject code here, basically. Or somewhere around here. Because after... well, anywhere in here, really. Like there. But it needs to be created first, so... it needs to actually create the tile above it. Where does that happen? Is it pending cells? Is that it? Maybe it's this add remove substance thing. Yeah, yeah. This sends a message which might, which happens on a different thread, I bet. Not sure. Or maybe it's just a regular function, and this is just a messaging class that does generic stuff. I bet this is what puts in the stuff. Sim messages, what are you? Add element consumer, set element consumer data, remove element consumer, add element emitter, modify element emitter, get element indexer. Ooh, that's some nice pointers. We have chunk stuff, moves, modify, add building heat exchange. This is all pretty complex. Okay. I guess I could hook in here and do a manual check, but maybe that's too low and that would be inefficient. I do not know. Given that this is just a function, which calls a function, which calls a function, which calls more functions, and logs, and logs, and logs, allocates some memory and does some stuff. This is all done on a single thread, which means, in reality, outside of updates, pending cells is always going to be empty. Well then. Luckily for you, this piece of code never executes. Hey! That's fun. It's fun, fun, fun. Because I assume this is called regularly by Unity, and you have kind of no control over that, so if you're gonna look into this object from outside, it's probably gonna be empty in the pending cells, unless it's somehow added from other stuff in the same frame. But maybe that's why that's there. Either way, let's see if we harmony modify function. Where was that? Uh, So, yeah, that's a prefix, that's a postfix. Uh, transpiler. A transpiler is not a patch method that is executed at runtime when the original method is called. Instead, you can see it more as a post-compiler stage that can alter the source code of the original method, except that at runtime it is not C# but intermediate language code that you can change. Use this as an advanced case where a normal prefix or postfix won't work and where you want to modify the original method in detail. This is usually done by inserting craftily crafted static method calls or by taking out certain parts of the original or changing values or method calls. In general, you want to change as little as possible in a way that is flexible and allows others to use transpilers too, so don't depend on fixed counts or structures. Keep it dynamic to ensure future compatibility and coexistence with others. The basic API of a transpiler looks like static interface enumerable with a type code instruction, transpiler arguments, or Harmony transpiler static IEnumerable code instruction, my transpiler with arguments. Arguments are identified by their type and can have any name. A typical transpiler looks like this. Huh? So the code instructions just start to exist. Okay. So we go through the instructions. We check if it stores field for some field. And we yield out our replacement basically. Oh my god. I don't want to do this. I don't want to do this. I don't want to do this. I want to solve this without doing an inject. I just want to do some patching, man. I can take a copy of falling objects for myself before. Then after it has done its thing, I can check if they still exist. If they don't exist, they have been turned back into whatever they were, which means they should probably be dug out. think that's one way to do it. Anyway, I don't really want to mess too much with that now. Let's just check if what we have works at all. Oh yes, and we never made it so that it checked for other ladders. Oops. Big oof. But let's see what it does. We will not reload this map for a while. Ever, in fact, perhaps. Depends on if I save it. Sure. 2 who can't cook and 1 who is slow at the toilet. Fine by me. Oh, look there. I think it's actually working as it should, and it did put it over the sand. Hey. It did put it over muck roots. Let's just let them have at this for a while and see if anything pops up. Oh, they like those ladders. Scheiße. Oh boy. That's one way to do it, I guess. That's nice. Guess we don't need those two. Jesus. Take it easy, dupes. Oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. Oh, okay, okay. We cool. Well, they didn't dig that because I... Oh, but they did because there was sand there. God damn it. I should amend my water check with a sand check or filter or fallible check, I guess it is, or unstable ground check, I guess. Speaking of, actually, hey dupes, you are stupid. How about me putting in 2 of those and 1 of these, of those, and that. How about that? Meanwhile, I will quickly check if there is a thing on the grid object that we are so familiar with now that can help us with this. Is there an unstable... No. How about ground? No. Okay. Oof. Well, I tried. Already? But yes, they are productive, these duplicants. What? Yeah, okay, that may be a problem. Look at him go, though. Oh, he's gonna discover another ladder segment. He's gonna go build happy now. Oh yes, building ladders. It's so fun, isn't it? Wait. We built a ladder in a tile. I'm not even gonna question that. But I will have to investigate it. Because I'm just gonna follow. Oh jeez. Whoa, whoa. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to do like the normal tool. And do the same checks the tool does. Sure, I'll follow you. Look at him go. And I didn't have to place a single one of these dig commands. Although it is being a bit iffy there. Oh Jesus. They're fast! Given how fast you are, Devin, you should be able to charge this. Look at the split. Game? Okay. Thank you, game. Hi, Hassan. Ah, yes. Wait, did they... How did they get in? I guess Max has a bedroom now. Warm sweater. We build ladders on top of the computer desks. The fact that those checks aren't built in here, try place, is kind of bad. IMO. What are you all standing around for? There's nothing enough to dig? Bruh. Actually, yes, you're quite correct. There's nothing left to dig. That was water before, but because some of it was sand, just like here, it's gonna go horrible. Fucking falling sand. I will fix the falling sand, eventually. Curative tablet, sure. I don't think these duplicants care about sore backs, really. You dug up everything now? Oh, good dupes. Good dupes. And cycle 7. None of these bastards are ready to dig outside yet. Come on, get to it. Apparently we're breaking into here and mixing a bunch of water. Right, at least it's clean polluted water. Imagine that, clean polluted water. How nice. Poor little shine. Look at this shine bug. Look at the atmosphere it's in. It's in 42 kilograms of very breathable oxygen in a single tile. Whereas normally you have not a vacuum but 1.4 kilograms. Here's like 42 kilograms. Where are they going? Oh. 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 That's so inefficient. Oh well. Oh, someone got a skill. Everyone has a skill. Hey look, we got a researcher. And sorry, but you're both going into hard digging. And immediately morale goes fuck. Of course, the morale goes F. That should now be a latrine. Sure, we can get this. Yeah, sure, we can get this here. If we put a tile there and there, we have water for a while. Hello? I thought this was important, but apparently it was not. Thank you. Do we have a proper latrine? I don't know, maybe. We do. But yeah, they're digging, and this is cracking. Harvest everything. Attack everything. Yeah. Oh, apparently we dug into... Oh, the ladders override the water protection. That's oof. That should not be a ladder. Uh, yeah, that should not happen right there. Well, at least we got water for a while, and at least we have a giant shaft and a collection of water. It's like 50 tiles underwater, excuse me. Sand. Arbor Aiken. Arbor Aiken, yes. I should probably give them beds. There we go. Come on, sweep up the food. Also, can we... No, we can't. I have a stupid idea. Yes. This is our carbon dioxide pit for our food, because who cares about moving it? Can I get those done? Thank you. The more time you guys spend in there, the better. Also, why is this and that? We're working out the bugs ever so slowly. Meanwhile, let's have a look at Hassan. Digging along. Oh, he sits and eats in the pit. That's kind of good. Shit, someone is suffocating. What the hell, Max? Wait. What? Max? What do you mean can't go? There you go. Scheiße. Only one of them got to bed in time. Oof. Also, how about storing rotting food next to the good food? How about that? Wait, that's full? Shit. What is it full of? Muckroot. Jesus, 129 kilos of muckroot. They're just not gonna stop digging, are they? I don't like that they like tower up into these inaccessible areas though. Like there. Like, like there, Max. Uh-huh. Max, 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 you fucking pleb. No. 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 Wow, you're an idiot. Actually, there's probably no material for you. Come on! Jesus. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Jesus. Well, at least two are in bed now. Wait, this is... What? Wait, what? We are... What? Oh, it's the slime. Oh well. That's the little base that dug this out. Holy crap. I have no clue what's even happening. What I know is that they aren't idle. Hey, it's working! Who needs to move your ration box when you can just make a giant carbon dioxide pit? That you have to pass through to get to the toilets. Or that you have to pass through if you're gonna go away from the toilet. That's fun. And yeah, this is fun. But yes, I kinda just wanna let this go and see how far it goes on its own. Maybe set up a little different thing that does a bunch of stuff every cycle, like mops everything and kills everything and all that stuff. It is mopping day, my dupes. Takes them quite a while. I haven't set up any priorities, but it will do what it does. I expect diggers to be here soon. Or is everyone really just that busy mopping? Yeah, everyone's just that busy mopping. Mopping goes faster on this speed actually. What the heck? And you are mopping that. I mean, I guess. Oh yeah, that's no longer. Yes, 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 yes. Oh, F. Actually, don't kill that. Yes, there we go. Mop it all. Yes. It's probably... Yep. A whole ton of water there now. Just sitting in bottles. It's pretty nice. There's quite a lot of off-gassing stuff down here. I should probably collect it all to one spot. Actually, not there. I want it... I want it here. Come on. Thank you. And I want that to be slime, rot pound, polluted dirt. Well, not slime actually. Yeah, slime, not algae. That's what I meant. Just store all that up, please. I swear they're faster on the second speed. Like, it's more efficient, I swear. Or something. My speaker's turned off. Maybe I should put up some research anyway. How's that going? I don't know. That was stupid, wasn't it? Oh well. Yeah, I just locked every dupe in here. There you go. Me want ration box. Come on. Come on. Come on. Thank you. Actually, we don't want the muck root in here. What do we have in here? Yeah, muck root taking up the place. Nice. Okay. As you can see, there's some weird oxygen trying to make its way up the base. Yeah. Oh yeah, they do. Get me some of that. Go. Now more. Now more. Now more. Thank you. Come on. Wait, there's no water or something? 40 out of 30. Idle. Why are you idle? Huh? What is... Wait, what? Are they not... Are they just not doing tasks? No. They are. Oh. That's why. Oh. Oh yeah, Max has this bed. Yeah, he probably shouldn't be in that bed actually. Sorry. But I disabled it. Here comes Devon and disables your bed. In the morning they come. Can I get my flipping deodorizers? Like today. Stop delivering a kilo of water. Please deliver more than just a kilogram of water. Please. Please. Oh my god. 59.9 grams. Oh my god, Jesus. That's how you fix a base. Okay, not really, but... Oh no. Scheiße. Don't do those, please. Thank you very much. Bastard. Look at that. Oh, they're delivering to all of them. Well, there you go. Will that help? I have no idea. That is proper though. There we go, and that should start floating upwards. Beep, 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 beep. Just dot them around, really. Max. Whatever. So, I probably have a bunch of things to change. Falling sand. Fix that ladders override the liquid protection. I need to fix a bunch of stuff, really. Why hasn't this been dug? Hey, dupes. Hey dupes, dig this. No? Everyone gets hard digging. You get super hard digging. So now is... I need one more, okay. There you go. Dig. Dig, 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 dug. Just doing a bunch of delivering. What are we delivering? Just, yeah. Eh. Oh, they're up here. We will be able to get through Abyssalite now, which is cool. Look at this pleb. Like running to get a bunch of sandstone. What's this? Granite. Maybe I should have it so that it creates the ladder out of the material it was on. That does add an interesting possibility that we might be able to create algae ladders or ice ladders or abyssalite ladders, who knows. If that's possible, I'm gonna be like, what? You what? It would simplify it though. You really like to dig, don't you? Build, I mean. I want you to dig a bit more, y'all. I mean, yes, this right here. This is important. This is also important. This is also important. Then digging, then everything else. Finally, they're all sleeping in the same room. What a hassle that was. No going back up here? No? Oh, you're working on this one today. Oh, and you are doing a bunch of digging. Hassan, I will follow though. Let's see what you do today. You're gonna breathe, and you're gonna be digging. Combat! Jesus. And the fact that the ladders keep overriding the water protection is bad. But we should have ladders in water. Or should we? Uh-oh. 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 Okay. 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 They found their way out. And hey, look, more slime. I really want to help dig. Oh, and that... That was weird. And it stopped following, okay. Interesting, but yes, that's what they do. And that's a steam vent. Holy pitory. Can I get there, please? Can someone get that down, please? Oh no, now they're gonna go and get minuscule amounts of water again. As you have noticed... Wait, granite? Why granite? Igneous, sure. Whoops. I freaked up. And can I get that on like priority 9, please? And like a 7 on those two. Hello? Yellow? Do I need... please build. Hello? Please? Maybe I should be a little bit more clear. My God. Wrong! Why? These are literally the ones I told you to do last! My God. Actually, keep that shit on. Get in there. Get in there. Get in there. Get in there. Come on. I said get in there. Come on. Wow. That's your own fault. Sometimes dupes amaze me with their stupidness. I kind of wanted to balance building and digging, but it doesn't seem like that's really possible. Maybe I should just keep it like this. Seems to be sensible. Devin, are you stuck here? You're not. Why are you... Why? There we go. Interesting. I wonder how they get down there in the first place. It's like, Yeah, it still kind of baffles me that it looks like we drained some salt water onto part of our base. So we've got salt water, polluted water, and regular water. Quirky. But yeah, as you see, they like to dig up and down. They like to build the ladders, especially, is what I've noticed. At least in this default priority. They follow the ladders. But yes. That's a long ladder. Jesus. Look at that. Down here they're digging too. What the heck? There's stuff falling. Yeah. Clay. Sedimentary rock. Gold amalgam. Oh! Max? Oh, he went down here. I thought he fell first. No, he's just here to dig a little. Gotta get those ladders down, you know. Granite can sustain a lot of pressure. But yeah, I will change it so that it tries to do with the material that it is on. That would be fun to try. Why does this happen though? Why? Why does random segments just go boom, I'm gone? Why? Why? Also, why has this been left intact? Like, either you destroy everything or you preserve everything, and I don't really know what I want to go with. I mean, destroying everything like this is messy, but since it's supposed to be preserving, it's leaving shit like this here, which is just, awful. Excuse me. I haven't thought of this, to be honest. Which means, yeah, oof, 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 oof. Oh no. Oh no. I will save there and I will take a break actually because yeah, I'll come back later, do some more fixes, fix the ladders, hopefully add the sand auto remove thing, and yeah, but that will be done. Goodbye.